Plaid, and I'm here to tell you all about our Mod Podge Do-It-Yourself Resin Kit. So whether you have poured resin before or you are brand new to the craft, we have put together an awesome kit for you to get started. This kit contains 2-part resin system, alcohol inks in a light and a dark green, which makes adding color to your projects really fun and easy. It comes with 4 packs of glitters, and the glitter comes in 2 different sizes. You also get 2 measuring cups, 3 larger mixing cups, craft sticks to stir with, and a silicone mold in this hexagon shape. So you can make projects just like this. So you can use the Mod Podge resin, glitter, and alcohol inks to create a number of different projects like you can see here. We make this great surface with this tropical leaf. So all we did was Mod Podge the paper in and then poured resin on top of it. We've done a cutting board and jewelry. So again, you can use this product that comes in the kit to make so many great resin projects. For more product information and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com/modpodgeresin.
Hey everybody, it's Emma from Plaid. If you like this video, make sure you're already subscribed to our channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll always be the first to know when we post a new video. If you decide to make any of these projects at home, make sure to tag us using the hashtag PlaidCrafts. We'd love to see what you're making. Bye guys.